morning everyone, welcome back to my very new vlog. And I've just dropped my sister to her job and now I'm going to Hitanshi's house because she's leaving for Karwar for a wedding. So I just wanted to know before she goes, I just wanted to meet her before she goes. So I guess okay, so yesterday she bought so many crackers. You can see pop-pops. And let's see what she's doing. Shanta? Hello guys. Good morning. Good morning. They are getting ready for to go Karwar. Oh, Pari ice cream karta. She's Hitanshi's Aji and she's a mother. So they're going by bus and that's why Sony told me to drop them to the bus stop.
Guys, I can look at the donut. Amazing!
Lagna, kuita. Kuita lagna. Karwar. Kuita? Karwar. Ano siya papu dakor? Show me us your dress, outfit.
Purple chapel.
Purple color. Okay. So guys, after dropping them, now I am having my breakfast. It's kind of 11 a.m. and now I'm having my breakfast. Later in the evening, I'll be going out somewhere. I'll be going for Lokotsav in Panjim. That is Goa's biggest festival and even it's very beautiful. I'll be showing you guys. If you're a Goan, you'll be knowing about this. If you're not, then watch my vlog till end because it's going to be really exciting. And now let me enjoy my breakfast, get some energy, and see you later in the evening at Lokotsav. So here comes Papa. Papa bought what? What you bought? Show me. Leave. Papa bought anda and orange. Now I'll eat orange. Orange. And here also apple and orange. What happened? क्या हुआ?
कोई नहीं वो तुम्हारा बॉटल लाने को बोल गया
रहने दो अभी दे दो. So I have just had my bath and now I'm eating my food. This is rice and some browns in my bottle. And here Papa, we are eating our food and now I'll just after eating food I'll get ready and then we'll leave for Lokotsav. So we have finally gotten ready and now we are leaving for Lokotsav and here's Swam.
Oh yeah!
So yeah, let's go. So now we have reached Panjim and मैं मासी के घर पे आई because I wanted to give something. Mama gave to Masi and all the people, Mama, Mommy. So I'm going. Let's go inside. Let's see. So मैं अंदर जा रही थी but उनका जो पेट डॉग है उसने मुझे अंदर जाने के लिए नहीं दिया. So now she's coming out. I'll be there and we'll go from here because I'm scared of this dog. So she came out and hi. So she is my sister, मेरी मासी की बेटी. How are you?
I am good.
ले लो मम्मा दीदी. So we are going for Lokotsav today. You're not coming?
I will come on last day. And now I literally want to eat this, so we are going there.
let's go. चल या. So now Antara has also joined us. Say hi, Antara. So now let's eat everything. Come on, let's eat. Let's explore all the stalls. Yeah. So now we are here at Nutan's kitchen and we are going to try chicken pori, kafrel pori. So let's go. So now we are eating here. Okay, so now we are going home. I'll drop Andhra and then we'll go home. So thanks for watching my video till, and bye bye. Say bye. Bye.